Hey, Tyler here with Quality Water Treatment. Today I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about the SoftPro Whole House Upflow Catalytic Carbon Filter. See if it's the right solution to your needs. This filter is quite different from other filters in the market. We'll run you through all the benefits of this SoftPro filter to provide for your entire room. This whole house filter removes 99% of harmful contaminants and local water. Chloramine is also corrosive to metals and could lead to leaks in your pipes down the road. Most standard carbon filters simply don't remove these large amounts of unhealthy chemicals, especially at higher flow rates. Running a bath or taking a shower. What we like about the SoftPro Catalytic Carbon Filter is that it uses advanced catalytic carbon media technology to protect your entire home from harmful chemicals. To last an amazing 7 to 10 years before needing to easily replace the media. This catalytic carbon media is technology engineered so it won't have to be replaced as often as traditional carbons, which may only last 3 to 5 years. In addition to the long life filter technology, the SoftPro Whole House Upflow Catalytic Carbon Filter doesn't require any electricity or chemicals, so the low maintenance and operational costs make this filter system an obvious win-win. We hope this review has helped you narrow down which filter is the best fit for your needs. And if you have any other questions, our team of water treatment consultants are here to help you. Just feel free to connect with us by chat, email, or just give us a call. Our goal is to help you and your family live healthier and happier lives by providing accurate information on quality water treatment solutions. Wishing you and everyone an amazing day.